It's really, really easy to publish a book. And I'm going to provide you with a template. All my books I publish using this template I'm going to show you. And you can publish a book for nothing. It's free. I'll teach you how to put it on Amazon for Kindle, as well as for Amazon Audible and Amazon Paper as well. And this is one of my students who just published a book. His name is Philip Germany. And he's on this weekly call every single week. He's great. And Philip, congratulations. And I love everything about this book. Good job. It's fantastic. And so for those of you that want to write a book, it's actually pretty easy to do. All you do is you go here, and I made a template for you. Go to harounventures.com /write book, all lowercase write book. And so if you click here on this template, it's a Microsoft Word document, and it's the entire template for all of my books I publish, meaning the ones that are 6 by 9 inches. And you just fill it in, every single chapter here, and then you right click on the appendix to select update when you have it open in Word. And all you do is you just read the instructions on the first page. And I'm not asking anybody to give me their email address to sign up for this. It's just a free download. I want to humbly help if I can. But I provide you with the links here to Amazon Kindle, as well as a link to CreateSpace, which is how Amazon makes the paper-based version of their books. And then also a link here to ACX, which is audible.com. And it's really, really easy to do this. If you want, you can even pay a couple dollars to somebody at fiverr.com and get a cover of your book made. But congratulations, Philip Germany. I'm very, very happy for you. I'm looking forward to talking to you about this book on the call today. But for everybody in the call, imagine how absolutely impressed people will be if you write a book and you bring it to an interview. I mean, who does that? Who does that? And then you got to ask yourself, how badly do you want that job? How badly do you want that job? Anybody can do this. You can bring it, the book you publish, and show potential sales partners, business partners, etc. You can submit it with your applications to universities as well. Nobody does this. Nobody does this. And this will help you a lot to get a leg up on the competition. And if anybody has any additional questions on how to write a book, it's really easy. Let me know. I'm here to humbly help. And thank you.